Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're diving into the delightful world of baklava, a sweet, flaky pastry. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a curious beginner, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's start with the essentials, the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need phyllo dough, unsalted butter, a mix of nuts, typically walnuts and pistachios, sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of lemon juice. And of course, the star of the show, honey. Now, let's move on to preparation. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, finely chop your nuts and mix them with sugar and cinnamon. This nutty blend will be the heart of your baklava. Next, it's time to work with the phyllo dough. Carefully unroll the dough and cover it with a damp cloth to prevent it from drying out. Brush a baking dish with melted butter, then lay down your first sheet of phyllo. Brush this layer with butter and repeat. Now sprinkle a generous layer of your nut mixture over the phyllo. Cover with another sheet of phyllo, brush with butter. Continue layering, alternating between nuts and phyllo until you've used up all your ingredients. Finish with a top layer. Before baking, use a sharp knife to cut the baklava into diamond or square shapes. This step is crucial as it allows the syrup to seep into each piece, ensuring every bite is perfectly sweetened. Slide your dish into the oven and bake for about 45 minutes, or until the baklava is golden brown and crisp. While it bakes, let's prepare the syrup. In a saucepan, combine honey, sugar, water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the hot syrup over it. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the syrup seeps into the layers, infusing them with sweetness. Allow the baklava to cool completely before serving. And there you have it, a homemade baklava that's sure to impress. Each bite offers a perfect balance of crispy phyllo, crunchy nuts, and sweet syrup, whether you're serving it at a family gathering or enjoying it as a personal treat. Thank you for joining us in this culinary adventure. We hope this tutorial has inspired you to try your hand at making baklava. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your baking creations with us. Happy baking!